Welcome to this guide on replacing the front air struts of a Porsche Cayenne 92A or a Volkswagen Touareg 7P5 or 6 with Arnott electronic eRide air struts. We'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure a successful installation. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. This vehicle contains a closed air supply system. Replacement of components requires proper adherence to procedures set forth within OE servicing literature. Failure to comply with the OE prescribed procedures can result in component damage and/or failure. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Now raise the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel. Open the hood and remove the applicable engine bay trim to access the strut's top mount and electrical connector. Next, remove the engine strut damper. Now it's time to remove the electrical connection to the strut. When the electrical connection is disconnected, loosen and remove the strut's top mounting nuts. The next step is to loosen and remove the airline and then remove and discard the OE air fitting. Prior to inserting the existing airline into the new air strut, remove the old airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, slide the threaded portion up the line and spread the collet open to remove. Then slide the air fitting off of the airline and discard. Continue by disconnecting the height sensor linkage. Disconnect the brake hose grommet. Now disconnect the ABS sensor grommet and connection. Next, separate the ball joint from the spindle assembly. Loosen and remove the top sway bar end link bolt and nut. Also loosen the bottom sway bar end link nut, but make sure you do not remove it. Finally, loosen and remove the lower strut bolt. You can now remove the strut from the vehicle. Start installing the new Arnott air strut into the vehicle. Ensure you tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specification. Reinstall the lower strut mounting bolt. Reinstall the top sway bar end link bolt and nut. Now tighten the bottom sway bar end link nut. Reinstall the upper ball joint nut. Now start reconnecting the sensors. Begin with the brake line and ABS sensor wire grommets. Next, reconnect the ABS sensor wire. Finally, reconnect the height sensor linkage. Install the Arnott air fitting to the existing air hose by removing and disposing of the shipping pin and inserting the airline through the fitting. The airline should be approximately 6 to 8 millimeters below the collet. Pull the air fitting outward to lock the collet. Now, reinstall the airline. Install the 3 supplied top strut mounting nuts and tighten. Reconnect the air strut's electrical connection. Reinstall the engine strut damper. The final steps are reinstalling the side trim cover under the hood and installing the wheel. After this, you can lower the vehicle and the installation is complete. Thank you for following our guide. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.